anymore why things are so damn difficult. How are they surviving out there? Somebody asked me everywhere I go, no vacancy, no vacancy, no vacancy. Well, I don't know why. Somebody asked me why. Because I'm losing it, I'm gradually losing it, and I'm going fucking nuts about it.
If anything happens to my daughter, I will never forgive you.
How dare you make a mockery of my pain? I lost a 4-year-old son. I lost the essence of womanhood. I lost a child.
I have had enough. I'm not going to ask them, or you are not going to ask him for anything anymore. Now, if we were even stuck on a desert island and Robbie was the last person to ask for money, I won't.
We can have a child.
You need a child, and you need a surrogate mother. I'll do it.
Why have you chosen to betray me?
That I am not giving you my baby again.
I can't believe this. What have you turned yourself into, Rachel? Who did you sell your soul to?
I'm sure you want to hear me say the devil. But I'm sorry to disappoint you, husband. I have sold my soul to the tears I shed from Karen. And God has compensated me with a new baby.
Damn sure you sold that soul at a very cheap price then.
Charlie, how be? Charlie, if I arrange me some stuff,
the one say if they owe me, say you know pay, start they can't stand here, they tell me say make I arrange you some stuff. Which kind of stuff they talk about?
but you Bozo, why? But I already tell you say Charlie, some deal and things where I make tight small. Charlie, the money go make ready very soon. I don't join there, I can't pay you.
Make you no bomb me safe. So that's why you can't they call me, they can't stand here, they waste my time. You know, sir, be business guy. You get my money, you call me.
Bozo, oh Bozo, I go can't spend some one night with Charlie for your day. Oh, Charlie,
the money you they owe me, if you can't settle them quick, or else, you know, say I go fit track you down.
Bozo, so you the small one too, you know go arrange give me. Oh, but Bozo, why they do like so? Oh no, Bozo, hey, Bozo, pa. Hey, Bozo, you small bit. Oh, Bozo, why?
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, Professor Genius.
Good morning, Jafar. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Great.
Sorry I missed your lectures yesterday. Something urgent came up and I had to attend to it. I also forgot to submit the assignment because I left in a hurry. Can I still submit?
Well, I'll accept it for today. But next time, you have to bear the consequences of your actions.
Thank you.
Really, Jifa, you have to refrain from such excuses. You should try and strike a balance between family responsibilities and your education. It would hurt me to have to fail one of my brightest students simply because she's hardly in class.
I understand, sir. It's just that don't worry about it. Everything is under control now. You will see more of me in class.
Anyway, your mom called to explain why you were not in class yesterday.
Then why did you have to make me feel so sober? So, Professor Genius, how was your weekend?
I've told you to stop calling me Professor Genius. And my weekend was splendid, thank you.
I guess it was with all the books you had to read, right?
Get off my case. I'll have to report you to your mom for constantly harassing me. 10 minutes. You don't want us to be late for the class. Off we go.
Good morning, Professor.
Good morning. Good morning, Estella. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Hi, Jifa. So, can I see you for a minute, please?
Wow, can't you wait? I'm due for class in 7 minutes.
It's kind of urgent. I really need to talk to you.
Hey, you know what, Estella? Let's get to the class, and I promise to see you as soon as we're done, okay?
Okay, sir. I'll see you then.
Very well. Now the fact still remains that the crime was committed, and justice must run its full course. But looking at it from a different angle, who is to blame? The man or the girl? Yes, Susan.
Your Honor, there is no basis for an argument here. The woman was by herself and the man raped her. He had forceful and painful sex with her without her permission. I don't see why there should be an argument about who is at fault here.
Objection, Your Honor. She dressed seductively to the office.
I'm sure the man never had such a thought in his heart.
But she stimulated his hormones by revealing too much of her body. Hell. I beg, what do you know before I will do this?
Objection! Your Honor, I beg to address your honorable court. I'd like to ask this question. Is it a crime to be sexy?
That's an interesting question as well. Anyway, I want a full report of your views on this case study by 2 p.m. Thursday. That'll be all for today. Thank you.
What is this nonsense you sent to me?
Well, madam, it's just a letter requesting for proper documentation for the money you took from the company.
So I have to report to you now whenever I take a dime from my own company, right?
Madam, it's my job as an accountant to make sure that I put things in order.
When my husband was alive, you people succeeded in pushing him around to achieve your selfish gains. I will assure you that you can't try that with me, because I am the boss and should be given the proper treatment.
I'm sorry, madam. I just need to reconcile certain things and...
State it clearly that the boss has taken money for certain investments that will benefit the company for a long time. Why is the conference room empty?
The meeting is due 30 minutes.
Well, I'm here now. Get the lazy idiots and let's start the damn meeting now. Sir.
Stella, you had wanted to see me.
No, don't worry, sir. It won't be necessary anymore.
Are you sure? You sounded as if it was a matter of life and death.
No, it's okay, sir. I'm good.
Well, if you say so. Take care of yourself then.
You too. Sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're hardly around, and whenever you're too tired to talk to me.
I'm sorry. Professor Ansan is on transfer and that puts a lot of pressure on me. Baby, I promise to make it up to you.
That's what you've been saying for the past 7 months. I'm just afraid we keep drifting apart every second.
Baby, I said I'll work it out. You must understand that considering my position in the university, a lot of people look up to me.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get you upset. I just need more attention from the man I love.
How is Professor Ken?
He's okay. But he's not happy that I've been skipping school and attending to certain family issues.
But I called him to explain why you skipped school yesterday.
He said the excuses are getting too much.
I'll supervise you then.
Mom, I need a favor.
Come on, go on.
I need a new car.
What about the one you're using? It's barely 2 years old.
That car is old, Mom. It's out of vogue. I need a new one.
You'll have to continue using it. We can't afford to buy a car now.
Can't afford. We're the Newtons, Mom. 2 banks, an oil company, and several other companies. We can afford anything we want, Mom. That car does not befit my status on campus anymore. I want a new one.
Time out. I have to go.
Baby, can't you just stay for the night?
No, my daddy is alive.
Tell him you're here with me, the man of your dreams. Or should I call him instead?
After the wedding, you can have me here as many nights as you want. I have to go.
We can afford to use money on important things.
So my car is not important?
Don't let you forget.
Genius?
Hi, Jafar. How are you? And please, for the last time, stop calling me that.
Why should I? Aren't you a genius?
Well, you know.
At 24, you had a doctorate degree. And at 29, you're pretty much the youngest professor in Ghana. How would you call that?
Please call me Professor Ken, okay? Anyway, how's your mom?
She's alright. Still tough though.
I see. So what can I do for you?
Prof, I was hoping to get a ride home because my car is bad and still at the garage.
Why not? Of course you can. Your timing was perfect because I'm on my way home.
Alright, let me help you with this.
Thanks.
You don't mean it. You cook?
Yes. What's wrong with that?
I just can't imagine you in the kitchen.
Why?
You don't come across as someone who can cook and
Hey, don't you start.
Doesn't your fiancé cook for you?
Well, she does, but...
Well, forgive me, but if I had a fiancé as cute as you, I will make sure you eat all the best dishes this planet has to offer.
Well, that's if you can cook.
Better than anybody in this world.
Really?
You need to experience my homemade cooking. What are you doing on Saturday?
Well, nothing much, just...
I'll be at your place on Saturday by 10 a.m. We'll go shopping for groceries and then I'll do the cooking. That is if Mrs. Prof wouldn't mind.
Well, she'll be away.
It's a date. Saturday. Thanks. Why don't you come in and say hi to Mom?
I would love to, but I have to run along.
To a lonely house? She wouldn't be happy if she finds out you were here and didn't see her. Please, it'll be more than a minute.
Okay, you win.
Thank you.
Jifa? Yes, Mom. Prof. Ken.
Good evening, Mrs. Newton. Jifa practically dragged me in.
If she hadn't, you wouldn't have come in, right?
No, not at all. I just thought it would have been better to schedule an appropriate visit instead of barging in on you like this.
Barging? Silly. I mean, this is home.
Well, you know he's a professor and there's a way they think.
Well, thank you, madam. I'm much honored.
Since you're here, why don't you join us for dinner?
I would have loved to, but I have to hurry home. There are tons of manuscripts that I have to mark before tomorrow. Maybe some other time.
Okay, if you say so.
Thank you, madam.
Don't forget our date on Saturday.
I want to call it a date and I won't forget. See you in class tomorrow.
Life has been unfair to me. I just don't know what to do. The last money I had, I used it for my daughter's school fees. It's finished. The bread business too is not booming. As if people don't want to eat bread. As if they're scared of constipation. Yes, what of my husband's account?
Since he was in prison, the government has confiscated everything.
No, I mean, his bank account.
The account was frozen.
No, this is unfair.
Such is the case of drugs. The government seizes everything the corporate owns.
I want the best for my daughter. I don't want her to end up like me. I want to give her the best of education. But I don't have it. I don't have the means. If only my daughter could stop taking drugs. She spent all we have. Spent all the money on drugs. She even used to steal my clothes just to buy drugs.
Is still on drugs?
No. I mean her father. Yes.
I have to go to the shop now. I will see you in the evening.
Thanks for the visit.
Take care of yourself.
Can I have something small for?
Oh, okay. I don't have much here. You keep this.
The blue one.
Oh, you marry this. When I come back in the evening, I'll sort you out.
Thank you.
I'll see you in the evening.
Estella, what do you want?
How are you?
I owe you no pleasantries. Shoot.
Your mother is having an affair.
So you called me all the way here to crack jokes?
Joking? At this time?
What's your proof?
I'll give you proof. But not yet. I'll call you when I'm ready. Hello? I'm coming. Oh, and they come right in. No. But you to work small. Why?
And we'll pay before anyone finds out.
That is risky, Sally. What if...
Please, Kojo. Stop being a baby. And not after all that we've gone through.
Do you know the implications of what you're asking me to do? I could be this bad and we could both go to jail.
No one will know about it. Besides, we're the only two parties involved.
I'll see what to do.
We have to make sure everything works out perfectly. No hitches. There are a lot of enemies out there who want nothing but our downfall.
You can trust me to have your best interest at heart.
I know that, Kojo. Probably you're the only one I can trust now. Not even my daughter Jifa could make decisions as regards. You know what I mean?
Good evening, Kojo.
Good evening, Jifa.
Another company case?
No, just stop by to have a chat with your mom.
You guys work 24/7. Do you ever make our time to relax?
I'm afraid not, baby. A good lawyer like Kojo is in high demand.
Then we must consider ourselves lucky. I hope I didn't bring an end to your meeting.
No, I was already on my way out. Have a good night, Sally.
You too, Kojo.
Did I say?
Take care.
Okay. So, Sally.
To throw more light on this issue of rape, I've brought in an expert from the police headquarters. Now, he has put some of the most notorious criminals in Ghana behind bars. Class, I would like you to welcome Detective Anthony Addo.
Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. I consider it a very great privilege to be here with you today, and I would implore you all to concentrate because we are dealing with a very sensitive topic. A lot of people, especially ladies, feel they can never be victims of such crimes. If there's a person here, you better take that thought out of your mind. Can somebody please define the word sex?
Well, thank you, Detective, for making time to come here. I'm sure the students will never forget today's lectures, at least not in a hurry.
You're welcome, Professor Ken.
I've told you to just call me Ken.
You are doing a great job with those kids, I must say, keep up the good work. Dare I say it, a lot of them really need help from you.
Well, thank you, Detective, but you can't compare what I do here to what you do in the department. I mean, putting your life on the line on a daily basis.
Oh, come on, I'm just doing my job, Prof. Have a nice day.
You too, sir, and thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
So tell me, how's the relationship going? I mean, you enjoying it?
It's alright.
Is there something I should know?
No, I don't want to talk about it.
Is it the sex?
No. I mean, look, for instance, she calls me 20 minutes ago saying she'll be here in 10 minutes. She's not here.
She might be stuck in the traffic. Calm down. Okay, why don't you call her?
Look, I've already called her 4 times. And look, I have a class in 45 minutes. I mean, this is like the 4th time she's doing this to me in the last 2 weeks. Yes, she'll be the one complaining that I don't make time for her. I mean, she's always complaining that I'm exhausted when she wants to talk to me.
So pay attention to her when she's talking.
Now, how can I do that when all she talks about is how she did this and that for daddy? I mean, who wants to hear about all that after her day with those kids on campus?
Ken, if she's more boring, why are you still in the relationship?
I love her. I really do. I mean, you can't understand.
Try me.
Well, baby. Yes. Oh. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later then. Well, apparently, Daddy's little girl has medicine for Daddy, so she won't be coming.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, shit happens.
I didn't expect a professor to use such a word in public. Good afternoon.
Sexy. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jifa. Why, am I under some kind of arrest now?
No, I wouldn't dare.
Hi. Anyways, I'm Barrister Kevin White.
My name is Jifa. Nice meeting you.
I think I have to be going. This is my call card. You don't know when you might need my services.
Thank you.
And let's not forget, I've never lost a case. I never will. I'll call you.
Well, I came here to have lunch. But since you haven't ordered anything, we'll eat together.
No, actually, I was...
Prof, you always tell me what to do in class. Can I have my turn now? Thank you for understanding. Waitress.
Okay, Dad. I'm done with the meeting. I'll put a call through to Mr. Mohinda. Yes, to confirm the delivery. I'll talk to you later, Dad. Yes, Terry. I just got off the phone with Dad. Yes, I have to go for lunch now.
Do you believe in love?
Yes. Why?
Nothing really. Just curious. Do you believe in dating older people?
Wow. Now, where did that come from?
No, like I said earlier, I just want to know what your opinion is. That's all.
Well, it depends. I mean, most women want to date older male because they feel they're more mature and they can take care of them emotionally. I mean, women want a sense of security.
I was actually asking about men dating older women.
Oh, that. Well, I wouldn't subscribe to that. I mean, it's kind of awkward given the society we live in.
So, you would if you could, right?
I'm not saying that.
In that case, it means you prefer younger women, right?
Well, something like that.
I mean, how young? I mean, what has the age difference got to be?
Well, my fiancé is 2 years younger.
That is so cool.
Why? Are you writing my biography or something?
Not at all. I'm just curious. Hello? Yes, I'm on my way to the campus. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, bye. Thanks, Prof. And don't forget about Saturday.
I won't.
take me for a fool, right?
Time out. This is not funny.
What happened at the restaurant today?
Because I really enjoyed our long-awaited date.
I was at the restaurant today. Oh yes, I was. And I saw you with that bitch.
Janet, she's just one of my students that ran into me at the restaurant.
Just a student? And you opened the door for her? Come on, Ken. You're a better lawyer than a liar.
Do you get these funny ideas? That was the daughter of the late Mr. Newton.
I don't care whose daughter she is. She is a woman. And she was at the restaurant. Ken, are you tired of this relationship?
Don't turn this around on me. You stood me up in that restaurant. And now you're blaming me for talking with another lady who happens to be my student. If you had kept your word and showed up, I'm sure she wouldn't have asked me for a ride back to campus. You'd rather play daddy's little errand girl instead of attending to issues that are of utmost importance to us. What am I even talking about? I'm not so important, am I? You are the one that's never really there. You blame me when I'm tired after a long day at work. Yet you can't keep simple dates just because of some silly errand that someone else would conveniently run in your place.
Babe, I'm so sorry. There was so much in the office I had to do for my dad. I'm sorry, babe. Is there any other way I can make this work? I really want us to work. I'm so sorry. Can you please let this go? I'm so sorry, please.
Hi, Prof. May I?
Sure, please do.
Thank you. Why, please? So simple and warm.
Thank you, Jim. I hope there wasn't much trouble for you locating here.
Not at all. Sir? You have a great body.
Thank you.
So,
Yeah. You're really looking beautiful in that outfit as well.
thank you. So, how is your fiancée?
Oh, she's okay. She left for South Africa this morning. Sort of an emergency.
I see. Well, I'm not here to cheat each other. I promised you a lovely home cooking, and that is what I'm going to give you. First, let's see what you have in the kitchen.
Okay, give me a minute so I can slip into something more comfortable. I'll be back in a minute. Delicious.
Thanks, bro. I'm glad you like it.
I've not had a meal like this in a very long time.
I told you were going to like it. Sir?
Yeah.
Can I use your bathroom? I feel so sticky.
from all the grades from the kitchen and shopping, I think I choose the bathroom.
Sure, why not? Second door by your left. It's got all you need.
Okay.
Easy.
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean to startle you. I want to pick something from my bag.
Sure.
Jifa! 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 Are you going to stay there forever? Dinner is... What is it?
Miss Dad.
Why? Get you a glass of juice.
I was raped. Professor Ken. He raped me.
Say that again.
Professor Ken raped me.
No one lives in Newton and lives another day. I will deal with that dog. Fast track court.
Calm down, Miss Newton. We have heard your daughter's side of the story and we invite the professor and hear what he has to say.
He has nothing to say. He's as guilty as shit. And that's exactly where I'll make sure he ends up.
It's okay, madam. Leave the rest to us, okay? I'll let my boys bring him for questioning.
Detective, I have no time for Q&As. Arrest the bastard immediately.
Madam, I would like to talk to your daughter. Alone.
About what?
That's standard procedure.
Are you okay?
Now, tell me exactly what happened.
Then I went into the bathroom to take a shower. After the shower, I realized I left my handbag in the living room. And I wanted to get my deodorant spray. Somehow, the towel fell off. And he forced himself on me.
What do you mean the towel came off? Did Prof Ken take it off?
No. The towel just fell off. Maybe it wasn't tied properly.
Did he have any sexual intercourse with you forcefully?
Yes, he did.
Did you try to stop him?
Yes. But he was too strong. He pushed himself into me and it hurts.
Were you a virgin before?
No. But that was the biggest thing that ever entered me.
Do you know these are very strong allegations you are bringing against Prof Ken?
I think she's acting. I think she set him up to be with him because she wanted him to come onto her. I think maybe she's upset because he didn't...
Or maybe she thought that was that she wanted and got a little more than she bargained for.
The line I get on this guy is that he's had half of the girls on campus.
Allegedly.
Sure. For now.
Rape.
You are advised to remain silent, or anything you say shall be held against you in court.
This is a joke, right?
We don't have all day, Prof.
But I would like to speak to my lawyer.
You will do that at the station.
What I'm saying is that I didn't rape Jiffa Newton. I would never do such a despicable thing.
Did you have any sexual intercourse with her?
No, I did not. God, this is absolutely crazy.
So if you didn't, why would she bring such an allegation against you?
You should be asking her that.
Prof Ken, we've heard a statement, but I'm afraid we have to detain you while we carry out our investigation.
Detain who? You must be joking. I want to see my lawyer. Now. Hey, what's that? A student of mine is accusing me of rape.
Male or female? Come on. You're not spending the weekend here. Come after me. We're going to get to the bottom of this issue. Can you imagine what
Please. I'll make sure the whole world knows the animal you are. I will fight you to the last drop of my blood.
Madam, I think I have to stop you from talking to my clients like that. If you have anything to say, save it and say it to the judge.
You think this baby lawyer can save you? Both of you are dead already. You look dead already. Miserable idiots!
Brother Ken, have you seen today's papers?
I just did. She can't do that.
She just did.
This is crazy. I didn't rape that girl.
Ken, I know. But tell that to the judge who's going to wake up in the morning and see the story of a professor who raped the daughter of late Chief Newton. I mean, that woman is so smart.
So what do we do now?
I mean, she understands the power of media in a case like this. With the stunt she has just pulled, she has successfully sold the story to the judge. I mean, they have bought the sympathy of the masses, the media, and even...
Jesus Christ, Kevin. Don't tell me how deep I am in shit. Just tell me how to get out of it.
Tell me exactly what happened.
Yes?
Listen, I didn't do anything. Believe me.
How am I supposed to believe that? She was in that house with you all alone. She even had a bath with my towel wrapped around her waist. Why would she need a bath if both of you weren't having sex? Huh?
Janet, I've said this before. We went shopping and then we cooked. And she had grease all over her. And I thought...
Can you hear yourself talk? Shopping. Cooking. For crying out loud, we're engaged to be getting married. And you went about town frolicking with that girl. Were you drunk? Did you consider the implications of your actions? Did you even think about what this could do to me?
I didn't have anything to do with that girl. Okay, look, I know I put myself in a compromising position. I'm sorry. Look, she tried to seduce me. I didn't even give in.
Now you're telling me you're sorry. I should just wave it aside like nothing happened, huh?
Look, I swear to you, Janet.
You must be getting out of your goddamn mind. Ken, wait. It's over, okay? Get it.
Don't do this. Don't.
This is crazy.
This is day one of the trial in the Newton rape case, and the court is already filled to maximum tension. The Newton family are one of the most influential in this country, and they have decided to fight this tooth and nail. Professor Kenneth Mensah continues to plead his innocence, but we will leave that for the judge to decide after the trial. This is Vivian Johnson reporting live from Fast Track Court, Accra.
Do you need more time?
I'm okay.
I know this is very difficult for you, Jifa, but I need to ask you one more question. Even though we've gone over it before, you need to be very clear about this. When you realized the professor wanted to have sex with you, what were your exact words?
I said no. I said, stop it, Prof. Ken. I screamed for him to stop.
Did he?
raped me in the couch.
He raped her in the couch.
Objection.
This is not fair, sir.
I'm not happy about it, but in the interest of the school. You're one of the best around here. But with a case like this, where it has generated so much attention from the media, please, there's nothing I can do about it.
I didn't commit any crime. You of all people should know that, sir.
I believe you. But what am I going to tell the parents when they find out that the same professor on trial for rape is in the same classroom with the awards?
Ken.
It's just temporal. At least when the trial is over, you can get back your life. Professor Ken Mensah, for how long have you known Miss Jiffa Newton and her family?
About 3 years.
Has she ever visited you?
No, not until that day.
Why?
Well, we simply had a student-lecturer relationship.
So, why did she visit you that Saturday?
Well, she offered to come over to my house to cook for me.
Offered to cook for you? Okay, tell this court, what happened after she cooked for you?
Jiffa, what is it?
Make love to me.
Jiffa.
Don't you like what you see?
Oh, shucks. Stop this and cover yourself. Get a grip on yourself, Jiffa.
I know you can do it.
Get out of my house.
I know you don't mean it.
My lord, that will be all for now.
My lord, we have a witness.
Witness may take the stand.
I call to the stand Miss Estella Davis.
So you said Professor Ken raped you on the 29th of April last year in his apartment, right?
Yes.
So why didn't you report it to the police?
I was afraid. I didn't want the societal stigma.
So why did you choose to come out now?
I felt guilty about not reporting Professor Ken earlier. If I had done so, Chifa wouldn't have been a victim.
Estella, right? Estella, how close were you to the professor?
We were quite close.
How close is quite?
He was like my personal tutor.
Estella, are you familiar with this letter? Well, let me refresh your memory. Professor Ken, it hurts me each time I see her treat you with so much neglect. If you could open your eyes to see that your true love is not in Janet, but in me, Estella.
Objection, my lord. This is baseless.
Overruled. Each time I see you, my heart skips. I wish you could stop looking at me as Estella, the little girl, and see me as a woman who can love you the way you should be loved.
Objection!
Estella, I put it to you that Professor Ken here did not rape you. You were so much in love with him. You loved him. You were crazy about him. But he did not love you back. You were so frustrated. You were rejected. You felt embarrassed. So you want to take this opportunity to humiliate this young man, Miss Davis?
Objection, my lord.
My lord, I tender this to the court as Exhibit A3.
Objection, my lord.
I'm not deaf, Barrister Kujo. Estella, how much did they pay you? How much were you paid to bear false witness against this noble man? How much?
Objection, my lord.
Sustained. No further questions, my lord.
Miss Davis, do you have anything else to say?
A stunning twist to the case as the new witness, Estella Davis, declares that she was not raped by the professor. We are still here waiting for the rest of the day's proceedings. From the Fast Track Court, Vivian Johnson reporting live for Eyewitness News.
Miss Davis, I am sure that you are fully aware that bearing false witness in court under oath is a very serious offense.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Why did you come out here to bear false witness against Professor Mensah? Did the Newtons pay you to do this?
No, nobody paid me to come here. Professor Ken did not rape me. It was all Jifa's idea. She was madly in love with the professor and she wanted to date the professor, but he refused. So she got very angry and decided to blackmail him. She thought he would accept her proposal, but he didn't. So she came to me because she knew how I also felt about the professor. She planned it so that we would humiliate him and make him feel less of a man. Professor Ken is a good man.
Please, I'll deal with you. Estella, you leave me. Do you know what? Leave me, I can get you fired by Monday. Leave me alone! My name is Chifa President and I will deal with you! My name is Chifa.
In my chambers, now. Even if the charges are dropped, imagine the psychological trauma this case has put in. Imagine the frustration, the embarrassment. He even lost his job because of this case.
Stop the theatrics, Kevin. The press is not here. You've made your point.
I'm pressing charges for defamation of character and I'm suing your client to a sum of $1 million. You
can't do that. The case has not been struck out of court yet. You just cannot...
Okay. Let's just slow down for a minute. I know the extent to which you two can take this case. But I want to end your roller coaster ride right here and now. What do you say?
$1 million. $1 million. Kojo, you expect me to pay that? What did you tell them?
We don't have much choices here. Ken's lawyers agree that you pay for the compensation. If you don't pay, you go back to court and she goes to jail.
She can go to jail for all I care. Hell knows what she was thinking before she pulled this stupid stunt.
This is not the time to point accusing fingers at each other. We have to decide what to do.
Why should I pay for something that never happened?
Maybe the rape did not happen. But the scandal, the job loss, the court case, they happened. If you ask me, paying the out-of-court settlement is a jackpot.
Can't we negotiate?
Yes, we can. That's why I arranged for a meeting tomorrow morning to sort out the modalities.
Oh, senseless. Childish. This girl has refused to grow. You are the one who refused to grow up, Mom. Did you talk to me? I did it because of you.
Can we have some calm here?
Don't you dare play the peacemaker here, because you're as guilty as sin in this case. I know your dirty little game.
You know, Chifa is too young to know what kind of money she has waiting for her. Since she can't lay claim on the money, I would like to have it to settle certain issues. And we'll pay before anyone finds out.
That is risky, Sally. What if...
Please, Kojo. Stop being a baby. And not after all that we've gone through. Just a little adjustment to the will and we'll be fine.
And I know you're having an affair. An illicit one. I know you've been giving out money meant for me to a man.
How did you know about this? I was suspicious, especially after I spotted him at that place. I mean, it's pretty unusual for him to be there, right? So I decided to investigate.
Why are you showing this to me? What is it for you?
Let me get straight to the point. I have something you want, and you have something I want.
And what would that be?
Money! Lots of cash! And I also know about your crush on Prof. Ken. Naughty! Don't be so surprised. I know a lot more than you can imagine. And if you play accordingly, you get paid. And you also get the prof as a bonus.
I know. We have to be careful. Technically, the money belongs to her. But according to her father's will, she can't have it till she's 27. Oh, honey, I'm working on it. It's just difficult as people have started raising eyebrows. Honey, you know I love you and I'll do anything for you. Oh, Chifa. She's just a little girl. She can't come between us. Honey, I love you. Okay, see ya.
That conversation was enough reason for me to go see Estella that night. The night that broke my heart. We decided to put that stunt because we knew you would react like a wounded lion. With the impression that the professor was sleeping with mother and daughter. And you reacted exactly as we expected.
Shoot! Animal!
You are the animal, Mom. You humiliate my father in life and death.
If you're feeling so bad about it, why didn't you just call your mother and discuss with her like mother and daughter?
Correction. Stepmother.